Welcome. This is Cobbler Wobbler 35.
Just kidding. It's me, Dr. Joy. Yeah, can you believe it? I'm back after a long slumber. And today, I'm going to show you a great cobblestone farm that will drop your jaws and make you wonder, oh, this is even possible? This is the coolest farm you might have ever seen. So let's build it. But before we build it, we need to talk about some prerequisite. I mean, this farm is not for normal vanilla survival. This is for modded Minecraft. And specifically, you should have one mod installed in your mod pack, which is called Applied Energistics 2 or AE2, whatever you want to call it. But that mod is needed for this farm. So you should have like Applied Energistics system going on in your base. Or if you don't have, don't worry, I'm going to show you a easy way to set up for the purpose of this farm. So I'm using here is ME chest, and in this ME chest I have this storage cell. I have 256k of storage cell, but you don't have to have it. You can use any kind of storage cell, how much of the cobblestone you want to store. Also I have this thing, you needed this energy acceptor in order to power up this machine. This basically convert the any kind of a power that you have in your mod pack to the applied energistics power. I would recommend you to set up this farm into your applied energistics system, but if you don't have, you can use this kind of setup too. That's enough for the prerequisite. Let's get into the real thing. So these are all the things that you needed in order to make the farm. So first of all, the lava bucket, one water bucket, 7 any kind of a stone, but make sure it's not a flammable one, so don't use wood or any kind of planks, etc, etc. Also a stair, it's also shouldn't be a flammable one. Then we have something special which is called ME annihilation plane, and this is the recipe for ME annihilation plane. This is the default recipe, but it can change from mod packs to mod packs. You should check up in your JEI. I'm not going to talk about the detail how you can make it, but basically you need some stuff to make some stuffs. So yeah, at the end you should have this ME annihilation plane with some ME flux cable or any kind of cable will work. So let's build it. So by using cables, I'm going to few blocks away from that chest. Now all you have to do is place your ME annihilation plane like so. Now place stairs on this side, place one block here, one block here, one block here, 1, 2, 1 here and 1 there. So this is how it should look like. Now all you have to do is put a lava bucket right here and your water bucket inside this stair. You have to waterlog this stair and voila, we have formed. You can see, before I can explain about it, it's already working. As you can see in the chest, yeah, we are getting the cobblestone and so fast. I know there are 1000 kind of cobblestone generators, but this one is the coolest one. Have you ever seen something like this? Let me know in the comment section. I'll meet you with another great video. Till then, bye bye.